What is that?
What's the target?
Basically hangs on a thing and you sit back and shoot it. There's a bunch of different sizes.
Is it like that one, or is it one that stands up and it falls down?
I think this one hangs. But you know what? We can't shoot it. We don't have any bullets.
Well, we have no bullets. I don't know what anybody's talking about.
Oh, that is bullets. Look at all this. I think we have 9,000 rounds of bullets.
That's
so
not
far.
nearly enough. That is not nearly enough.
Need when you're shooting zombies because it's tracer ammo, so you can see the bullet go out. So you know, could potentially ignite the zombie on fire.
So we are here driving to pick up some conduit for a shoot steel target, which is going to be fun, I think.
Definitely. Of course, who knew we had to build it?
Yeah. I've seen that kind of thing before, and it's just kind of hassle. I understand why they do it, because it can be a hassle sending long conduit, but so, successful trip to Lowe's. Excuse me, Home Depot. Sorry. We're out in the desert again, and it's fun because we get to shoot stuff. Something makes me think people have shot guns out here before. Could be all the stuff with bullet holes in it.
Imagine this being the head of a zombie.
Very slow zombie. So we're heading back out to the desert because we got the pipes and we got to paint and we have a little more time.
Finally.
It'll be fun. So we're here on day 2 with, as they say, the rest of the story. The thing's heavier than it looks. Of course, it is made out of solid steel, so there's that. Did it! It does seem a little bit.
Seems like it's gonna hold up good.
Yeah. So, this is pretty cool, but a little bit on the windy side.
A little too windy. But we got our target up.
Got it painted.
It looks good. We know it works.
The gun's really
Now
nice.
we're gonna do other stuff with it. I think one thing we'll do is just like put it way out there and just see how far away we can put it and hit it consistently, you know? We have the laser range finder, the wind check, you know, thing, so we can do all the adjustments with the scopes and see how far away we can hit it. So I think that's what we'll do next.
That'll work. Get that Daniel defense with the long barrel on it.
Yeah.
Longer barrel.
Correct. And then we need to do a video just comparing all the different scars too. That may be the next thing we do.
I got a scar right here. It's a little scar.
But we need to look at the Scar 16S, 17S, and then the 20S and just compare them and stuff. People might like that.
I'm kind of wondering how our audio is going to be with all this wind. I'm not sure it's going to be
Probably not
clean.
too good. Mostly this will be a visual thing.
Yep. It's all good. Catch us on YouTube.
Have a good weekend. Subscribe.
Well, if you did, it's still running. I think you did. The case is cracked.
Damn.
Well, GoPro got run over. The case is cracked. Oh gosh. Oh.
Yeah.
It's still recording.
Put a new cover on the front of it.
So this is the GoPro that got run over. That's kind of cool. It's both cool and sad.
It's still running.
It's still recording.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's still recording. Just fine. Still doing. Image. Looks clean.
I tell you, that's one of the reasons I like these things, is they're like, built like a cave. You know what I mean? That's why it's fun just to like always keep one in the back seat. You never know.
Yeah, image is totally fine.
Yeah, the lens is okay. It just it's the lens protector.
I get this really cool lens flare now. That's always fun.
Well, the lens protector is actually what